In this video, we listed the 5 best screwdrivers on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Amr NR106075 Screwdriver. The hex screwdriver, model NR106075, is a reliable tool designed for driving hex fasteners, perfect for long bolt or threaded rod applications. Made from high-carbon steel, it offers maximum torque and wear resistance, ensuring durability and efficiency. The non-slip rubber handle provides comfort and enhanced grip, while the tool's specifications include a handle length of 110 mm, 4.33 inches, and a total length of 184 mm, 7.68 inches. Suitable for a 6.35 mm screwdriver, this hex socket wrench comes in black, silver tone, and green colors. Priced at $2.86 after a 52% discount, it is available for purchase from AMR Tool Store, though shipping to Bangladesh is currently unavailable. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection, with a maximum limit of 1 piece per customer. Number 2. SES Nano Arrowmax Kit. The SES Nano Arrowmax Kit is a highly versatile mini-electric screwdriver set designed for DIY enthusiasts, featuring a powerful 5.0 kgf.cm torque motor and a lightweight design of just 58 grams for easy handling and transport. This comprehensive 60-in-1 kit includes 60 high-precision screwdriver bits, suitable for various repair and assembly tasks. Its user-friendly operation is enhanced by an LED display that shows the selected mode and charging status, while shadowless LED lights provide illumination for detailed work. The kit supports Type-C charging for convenience and includes a magnetizer to maintain bit performance. Priced at $43.28 after a significant discount, it is available for shipping to Bangladesh, with secure payment options ensuring customer privacy. Number 3. Aideepen 46-in-1 Electric Screwdriver. The Aideepen 46-in-1 electric screwdriver set is a versatile and compact power tool designed for precision tasks in home repairs. This rechargeable cordless screwdriver operates at a voltage of DC 3.7-4.2 V and features a built-in 500 mAh battery that provides a speed of 110 RPM. It includes an indicator light for forward and reverse rotation, ensuring ease of use. The set comes with 38 different screwdriver bits made from durable chromium vanadium (CRV) steel, and a sturdy storage box made of ABS to keep everything organized. The handle is designed with a non-slip texture for better grip and control. Priced at $6.69 with a 55% discount, this tool is an affordable option for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, with free shipping available to Bangladesh. Number 4. AlexHoumie Screwdriver. The AlexHoumie Mini Screwdriver Set is a compact and multifunctional tool designed for precision tasks, particularly in disassembling electronic devices like gaming consoles and mobile phones. This set includes for high-quality screwdrivers, T6, T8, T9, and T10, crafted from durable chromium vanadium alloy steel with a PVC handle for a non-slip grip. Ideal for safely opening devices without causing damage, the screwdrivers feature a 3mm HEX screw head size and are magnetic for ease of use. The set is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for various applications, including repairs on PS3 and PS4 consoles. Priced at $1.11 with free shipping to Bangladesh, it is an affordable option for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. Arrowmax M1 Screwdriver. The Arrowmax electric screwdriver set, M1, is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for precision in electronic assembly and repair. Featuring a 5-speed adjustable torque system, it allows users to select the appropriate torque for delicate or heavy-duty screws, ensuring safety and accuracy. The set includes precision magnetic bits for easy handling of small screws and is powered by a 600 mAh rechargeable LiPo battery that offers a quick recharge time of just 100 minutes. Its ergonomic oval design enhances grip and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use, while an integrated LED light illuminates workspaces in low-light conditions. With a robust build and advanced features, this screwdriver set is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox.